Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'll be showing you that how can you transfer photos from your one iPhone to another iPhone in just minimum time in just 1 or 2 seconds. So how can you do that? So guys, if you have iPhones, also you will have AirDrop, and the AirDrop is the best transfer system inbuilt in iPhone. So what to do? Just go on your photos option here and select the photos which you want to share. Like this is the photo which I want to share. I will select 5 photos here and click on the left bottom of the screen called arrow option here, and the first option you will see that is AirDrop. What you have to do, click on AirDrop here and connect to your another iPhone by using AirDrop. You can switch on AirDrop on that phone and then select AirDrop on this phone, and whenever you will click that, you can transfer your photo easily with a minimum time like 2 or 3 seconds. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video.